Hey, did you know that you can add GIFs or GIFs, however you want to pronounce them, into your spreadsheets? So you can actually spice up some boring spreadsheets by adding cute little GIFs like this, because who wouldn't want to wake up to this face? So in a previous video, I showed you how to create a GIF or GIF, I don't even know how to pronounce it, on your own and create one inside of Canva, which you can totally add. But if you want to do one that's already been pre-made, maybe you found it in Jiffy.com or Giphy, whatever you want to pronounce it, whatever pre-made one you have, you can use that link and add it into your spreadsheet. Now, I just want to say that the more that you add into the spreadsheet, it actually will slow down your spreadsheet. So just remember, we don't want to bombard our spreadsheets with a million different GIFs, but you do want to pick and choose maybe 1 to 3 and add them into your spreadsheets to make them a little bit more fun for yourself. Go right ahead and do that. So what you want to do is come to one of these websites. I'm just using Jiffy, and then you can search for whatever one you want. So this is the one I selected. So what you're going to do is take the hyperlink. You're going to come over to your spreadsheet. Let me just go to my second version. And what you want to do is go insert image over cells. So we want to make sure it goes over the cells, not inside the cells, because what happens when we insert a GIF inside a cell, it just makes it static, which is, we don't want that. We want to make sure that it moves. So make sure you do insert image over cells. Then you're going to click on the tab that says link. You're going to paste in your link here. It's going to show your image, and then you're going to insert. So now, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than what I want it to be. So you could take any of the blue squares and just resize it. So I'm just going to resize it a little bit and then move it to where you want to put it. So I can just put it over here and fit it right there. So now I have this lovely face greeting me every time I come into my weekly planner. So have fun with it. Take a look, see what other ones that you like. And remember, try to keep it within 3-ish per spreadsheet. Even just having one really just spices it up. As you can see, it makes my weekly planner a lot more interesting versus not having one. So it's totally up to you. Let me know what are your favorite GIFs, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget that if you want to learn how to make this weekly planner, I do have a free mini course called the Wild Heart Spreadsheet Academy, where you actually learn all the basics of Google Sheets, as well as how to make this wonderful weekly planner. And that's your homework inside it. So I will link below for you to join. Thank you so much. I'll catch you later. Bye.